Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Shirogorov Hation Zero here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty cool knife, guys, made in Russia. It's gonna set you back around $700. It's pretty smooth, it's pretty nice. This is the smaller version of the Hati, let's say. This is the Hation Zero by Shirogorov, made in Russia. Superb action, really drop shotty. M390 steel. With a beautiful sand blast, like bead blast, stonewash, I don't even know. It's very fine medium blasting going on the blade. It's a titanium frame lock with carbon fiber inlays, M390 steel. Really cool sound. Look at this, very nice. It's a Shiro, so it's a smaller Shiro. This guy is weighing in at 2.5 ounces. It's overall pretty good in the hand. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.